Oh, hi. I didn't notice you there. My name is Teacher Michael. Welcome back to my profile critique series. This is a series of videos that I've created to help you improve your online teacher profile. Today, I'm going to be looking at the profile of two real-life online English teachers and watching their videos, looking at their photos, and offering some constructive feedback so that they can improve their profiles. And hopefully by watching this video, you too can take away some insights that will help you improve your teacher profile. The first person we're going to start with is Teacher Deepa. This is one of her photos. I made the assumption, she didn't actually tell me this, but I made the assumption that this was her profile photo. So here's my 2 cents on this one, and I don't think I'm gonna get too deep into the lifestyle or the family ones. I'm more focusing on the profile photos in this series of videos. But for this one, my main suggestion, I like everything. I like the colors, I like the quality of it, the lighting is fine. I would just center yourself in the frame of the photo. Right now, we're looking at like, Deepa way down here, hi. What I would love to see is you front and center, taking over the whole frame of the photo. A lot of these photos get cropped into a circle when they're uploaded into the system. So anything off to the side here runs the risk of getting cut off. So that would be my main tip for all of you out there. Get front and center, be in the center of the frame, and go from there. Now, let's take a look at her video.
Hello, welcome to VIPKid. I'm Teacher Deepa. See you in the classroom. Bye.
It's over. Okay. Short and sweet. One thing here, and this is, I'm gonna say this every single time that I see it, all videos should be done horizontally. 16:9 is the widescreen laptop aspect ratio. Just turn your phone sideways. Never, never, never shoot vertically. And if you don't agree with me, ask Jimmy Kimmel. He'll tell you the same thing.
Thanks to all the parents who participated, especially those who recorded their videos horizontally. We really appreciate it here on television.
This is definitely one of those videos that left me, I want to see more. Yeah, it was 10 seconds. That's not long enough. So I think a lot of people in this regard get confused when they're uploading their VIPKid video because it says, upload your 15-second video now. What that really means is I think that 15 seconds is closer to the minimum, not the maximum length of your video. So my video is, I think it's 38 or 40 seconds or something like that. As long as you keep it under 100 megabytes, it can be that long. It can be longer. So I want to see a little bit more from you, Deepa. I want to see a prop, 1 or 2 props. I would love to see you teaching something and maybe telling me something about you. The lighting is fine here, you know, the quality of the video is great, I can hear you, so all of those technical elements are firing on the right cylinders, but again, a little bit short, a little too vertical, and not enough visual aids in the video. I hope that's not too discouraging for you. My goal, my heart in this, it's not to cut you down or make you feel bad about the video that you've created. I hope that this comes across as constructive criticism and something that's gonna help you. That's what I want to do here. I want you to have the best possible video that you can have so that you're gonna attract more students, teach more classes, and make more money. That's the goal here. So thank you, Deepa, for your submission. I hope that was helpful. Next up, we have Teacher Mackenzie. Again, I'm gonna make the assumption that this is what she is using as her profile photo, and I think it's great. There's so much joy that can be communicated through these photos, and this really is just a perfect example of that. Her smile is nice and big, her eyes are wide, she's like, yes, I'm here, I'm doing it, I'm having fun, this is great. That's the kind of energy you want to convey with your photo. You want it to be approachable, you want it to be friendly, you want it to be enthusiastic. So this is a great example of a profile video, or a profile photo that does just that. Now, let's look at the video.
Hello, and welcome to VIPKid. My name is Teacher Mackenzie.
Okay, so I see why I grouped these two videos together. Again, vertical, no No vertical.
Vertical videos happen when you hold your camera the wrong way. Your video will end up looking like crap.
The second thing here is the audio. And this is something that I brought up in the first video of this series. When you're filming and there's 10 or 12 feet between you and the camera, it's so hard to hear you. And then when you add a little bit of wind, a little bit of ruffling onto that, it comes across as being less professional than you want it to. My suggestion would be to go into a closed environment that you know there's not going to be any noise, there's not going to be any wind, and film it there. So let's see what happens in the rest of the video here. Yes, yes. Okay, this is where I would have filmed the entire video. Look at this. So much color, so much brightness. This is like a classroom environment that you want to be a part of.
More stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. See you in the classroom.
Like I said, I would have filmed the entire video in that classroom environment. So all of the stuff that you said at the beginning, I would just put it there. Second thing, having someone handhold the video, I don't think is ideal. So if you can, and maybe I'll do a little demonstration here. What I do all the time is I get a flat surface and a coffee mug like this, and you turn your camera on, you put it on selfie mode, and you just lean it up against the coffee cup, just like that. So it's gonna be nice and steady. Having a video that's kind of, unstable like that, it's a little bit unsettling. It's not ideal. It doesn't have to be super high tech or super fancy, but I would try to stabilize the video as best you can. And that's it. Thank you so much, Deepa and Mackenzie, for your submissions. I hope you found some of that helpful. And for everybody else who is watching, I hope you can take some of those tips, apply it to your own video and your own photos, and hopefully start getting more students. That's what we're all about around here. There's gonna be a whole bunch more of these types of videos coming in the next few days and the next few weeks, so make sure that you keep coming back to this channel. And if you don't wanna forget about it, hit subscribe and push the notification bell so that you get notified when I do upload another video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, I will see you on the internet. Peace!